God!
Hold on, I'm coming. Hey, get out of here!
Easy. I've got you, little one. It's okay.
Is it breathing?
Yeah. Faint, but it's there. Just keep still.
Oh, thank God.
Grace had a
Hey, stay
way
with me, little one. All right.
turning her eye, though it was brave.
You're okay. You're safe now.
Who's not leaving her side? Look at
But
that.
Christ, don't
It's the
you know,
sweetest thing.
burden way more than one boat. Yeah, more than one boat. But she won't be told, and she won't be bold, and too much to behold. Whoa, so I'm told.
2 months ago, she tumbled out of a hayloft, barely breathing.
I'll
He found
never
her,
know.
warmed her, and never left her side. Tonight, they sit on the same fence where we first saw the sunset together. Rescue turns strangers into family, and family